Hello and welcome to Last Moment Preparation. In this video, we are going to take an overview of the Hello World program in Java. To begin with, I have already created a file named helloworld.java, and as you can see, within that file, I have already created a public class named Hello World, which has the same name as the file name. Now, to begin with, in every Java program, we need an entry point, which is its main function. So let me quickly declare that main function over here. I'm also going to explain to you the individual keywords used while creating this function. But before it, let's just complete the ritual, which is printing hello world on the console. Now, printing hello world has been a convention in learning programming languages, but we can actually print anything. So even in this case, I'm going to actually print welcome to last moment preparation, just to prove my point that we can actually print anything while learning a programming language. Now, as you can see, our Java file is ready, but we also need to compile and run this. We can achieve this in multiple ways. One way is that since we are using VS Code and I have already installed Java associated extensions on it, I have a or run button which is available on the top bar. However, I would like you to understand how it works fundamentally, so I'll just compile and run this for you through command line. So we can compile this by saying java c space the Java file name. Now, as you can see, a hello world.class got created over here. Now we can run this by saying java space hello world, which is the name of the class. And as you can see, whatever we had enclosed in the double quotes of system.out.println got printed on the console. Now, as we know how to compile and run this program, let us understand the individual keywords that we have used in this program. So the first keyword is public. Public is an access modifier which indicates that this class is going to be accessible from any other class. Second keyword is quite obvious. This keyword is used to declare classes in Java. The next word, that is hello world, is actually name of the class. It could have been anything. Again, in the method declaration as well, we encounter the keyword public. Here also it acts as an access modifier. However, this time it is stating that the main method is going to be public and it could be accessed from anywhere. Now the keyword static. Static means that the method belongs to the class rather than belonging to instance of the class. The next keyword that you see is void. Void is a return type. So every method in Java has a return type. It could be a default data type or it might be a user-defined data type. However, in our case, we have quoted the return type as void, which means that it is going to return nothing. Main is again a standard name for the entry point of any Java program. It is essentially a name of the method. Now coming to the last point or last important part of this video, you see this that a parameter has been passed in the main method, which is string args. Many of the people are not aware about this argument. So I'm going to quickly show how it works. So again, we are just going to print this on the console. So let's just print its first element. And you know the routine. We need to compile and run this. So let's go compiling this to Java C. Then I can say hello world.java. All right. Now I'll say Java hello world. And this time I'm going to provide the argument that is being passed into the main function. So I'll say my argument. Okay. So as you can see, we had already printed welcome to last moment preparation in the earlier segment. However, the additional system.out.println in which I had passed the args zeroth element of args array. So when I actually executed or ran this Java file, I said Java hello world and then I passed an argument. So the argument itself was a string and it was my argument. And as you can see, the system.out.println printed this. So in this case, I just simply passed a string. However, you could make very useful program using this args array. That is, for example, you could pass two numbers in an addition program and directly typecast them to integers and add those, directly print the result, etc. So interesting things could be achieved using this args array. So in this video, we give you an overview of the Hello World program in Java, the individual keywords in this program. We hope that you found this video useful. Like and subscribe. Last moment preparation for more such videos. Thank you so much. See you next time.